On May 22nd, 2023, officers were dispatched to a disturbance call at Farm and Fleet in Onalaska, Wisconsin. Staff advised there was a male and female in the store threatening to punch employees. While en route, officers received updates that the male was still shouting at employees and they both had placed merchandise into a cart. The 23-year-old male and 32-year-old female were soon recognized as Dakota and Kara, both of whom have a prior history of interactions with law enforcement. Back up! Back up! The employees stated they were monitoring Dakota and Kara due to suspicions of their involvement in several prior thefts at the store. But before we continue, let's hear from today's sponsor. Upon arrival, Dakota had just exited the store and was seen walking away.
Yeah, there's an issue.
What's that?
Stand in front of my car.
What's the issue?
You threatened two employees?
No, I didn't.
Stop. Get back here. Take your hand out of your pocket. Hands on the car.
What am I doing?
Hands on the car. You're detained.
For what?
Hands on the car. You have any weapons on you?
No.
Hey, you're reaching in your pocket. You got brass knuckles. You're threatening to hit people. You got a grinder in there. Yeah. And you got a switchblade on you.
Hey, I told you I had.
Where's the girl you were with?
What? She didn't do anything.
She's still with you, so I'm gonna leave her alone. You got anything else on you?
Just watch and let me know when she comes out.
I'm going to relax. Okay. But you're going to talk to me. What's going on today?
They were following me around the store, and I asked them to please stop, and they wouldn't. And then they started making smart-ass comments. And that's when I freaking was like, dude, if you keep following me around, I feel threatened. I literally said that. I got a video recording of him being a smart-ass, and I told him, I said, I'll just start pressing charges. I said, I'll open up the case. And I told him, I said, quit following me, because he's like literally like closer than me and you are right now. And that's when I told him, I said, dude, if you don't get out of the face, I'm going to knuckle dust you. Okay. And I admit to that.
So you were upset because you felt like they were following you because of the way you looked? And
yes.
Okay.
They were profiling me. Hold on, this is the second time. And I've done nothing. I've never seen. I know.
That makes sense to me.
I apologize. I have a hard time with authorities because I was raised on the streets.
Okay.
So I apologize.
See, I've never met you before.
Right.
Okay, so we're cool, right? But I still need to get your side of the story, boss. I mean, there's a reason that you threatened to punch someone, right?
Yeah. And I know it wasn't right. That's why I started to walk out because they kept following me. When I feel caged and trapped, I tend to lash out.
Can you see why I take the means that I do when you start walking away, you put your hand in your pocket, you end up having brass knuckles, a switchblade?
I apologize.
Okay.
I apologize.
Who's the female you're with? She's not in any trouble. I'm just curious. Cara? You guys have any contact or something? Or you guys are good? You guys are straight? You're convicted felon? What are you doing with the knuckle dusters and the switchblade then?
I've been jumped at school park before. So I keep them everywhere.
What's going on?
You guys need to go inside at all?
Yeah, we said to go find her. Yeah, if you want to stay out here with him, he's not really being very cooperative, so I can run inside.
You see why that heightens my concern though when your hand goes directly into the pocket that has weapons in it? Okay. I wasn't trying to be a dick about that, right? I have a reason for it. Yeah.
They said they're going to watch for her to come out, but she hasn't yet.
Yeah, we can break it down. We can figure this all out. What's your name? Dakota. So obviously we got some stuff to figure out and we'll go from there.
While the one officer stayed with Dakota, the other went to speak with the manager, who led them to Kara's last known location.
So, the girl's wearing a red bandana, white shorts?
White shirt. I think denim shorts, but bright red high-top shoes.
Bright red, gotcha.
Yeah.
She is?
Yeah, I think so.
That's good.
What are you guys doing buying all the air pistols? For your cousin? Big airsofter?
Yeah. Do you know him?
Yeah, Dakota. Yeah, he's definitely going to steal something, so.
They were here a couple weeks ago when we talked to them.
Yes, and at a minimum, you're not going to be allowed back in the store. Okay?
Eventually, he observed Kara start to run towards the automotive exit with 2 full bags of merchandise.
32623, she's trying to get out the exit door.
Here, I'm sitting in my car. Yep, you're detained right now. And so I don't have to put you in handcuffs?
Okay.
Hey, ma'am, how are you? Hey, stop. Stop. She's running. Stop. Stop it. Drop it.
Oh, no, stop.
Stop moving. Stop. What's this?
Please, let it go, please.
Kara, you good to sit? Are you injured at all? Can you bend your legs and sit you up? I didn't hear what you said. Oh, why'd you run? Can I sit you up in this chair? Can I sit you up? I'm gonna sit you up, Kara, okay? You can sit in the chair. I need your help. You gotta get up.
Come on, Kara, don't do this.
Well, can you work with me a little bit? Just sit.
He's detained right now, so.
Where is he?
In my car.
Why?
You guys were causing issues in the store?
Oh, he was causing issues too.
Well, they work here. They're allowed to follow you guys through the store.
I know, that's how I'm telling you.
Are you trying to steal this stuff?
I'm honest, can I please just let me go? I can read. I can read. Please. There's nothing in there.
I'm just making sure.
There's nothing in there.
You allowed to scan stuff right here? Can you figure out how much some stuff is?
Can I have a cup of water, please? Can I have ice water, please?
Just stop.
You can't. Okay. Need a cup of water? Yeah. Okay. It's in your purse?
Water in my purse.
Where's your purse?
Okay, because you're detained right now in handcuffs, I'm going to read you something. Okay? You don't forget that, alright? Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court.
It's out. I'm gonna go get the ice instead of the water.
Are you listening to me?
I know my money's not
Well, I have to read them to you, okay? So I'm going to start over. Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer who cannot afford a lawyer, and when you decide to start answering, do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Are you willing to answer questions at this time? Okay. What do you mean when you say he told me to do it? Did Dakota tell you to steal the stuff? Okay. Is that what you guys came here to do today? Was to steal a bunch of merchandise? You on probation, bond, anything like that right now?
I'm fine, not on probation.
What are you guys stealing stuff for? For drugs? Cash? So when they called you out on it for stealing stuff, they were right. And then Dakota threatened to punch him?
Who's the employee? Can we have an employee come back here that was threatened?
Yeah, it's not the present because of the way you was walking over.
I can send him down here.
Send him down here. Thanks for knocking that door. You're all good, man. You can only do so much.
If you want to ask her any more questions, I'll go get your card and bring it up.
Okay.
Thanks for coming out.
What's that? You should have ran.
What am I supposed to do?
Stop.
I ran and I got scared. I didn't want him mad at me.
You want Dakota mad at you?
Oh, it's just starting. I got caught up there. I'm dealing with him too.
Were there items in the purse as well? There's one.
There's one thing in there. There's
How did you and him get here?
the bus.
The bus?
You doing okay back there right now? We got some stuff to deal with Kara, so sit tight.
Why would you need a car?
Did you go to jail?
Why?
For resisting?
Where was this?
And that? And your bond?
I didn't go to the fence thing. I didn't get out of the store. I'm still in the store.
Where were you headed?
The hell if I don't play?
That's not what I meant. Yeah, I'll let, if you're cool with me the whole time, I'll let you see him before we go. But you gotta be cool. Don't try to do anything.
It was calculated that the merchandise totaled to $990 before tax.
Part of the job, I guess.
Trying to let me back to it. Okay, which is it?
Is that total?
Total is $900.
The people out there that he threatens. Okay. If you want to take him, I'll take her. Do you want any water before we go? You want the ice? Oh, sorry. How do you want this to work?
I'm just going to put this
You're in
here.
handcuffs. You're not coming out of
I
handcuffs.
know that. Get here.
Who did the male threaten?
Good? Good spot?
Can you guys run me through what was happening?
I ran into this guy 3 weeks ago, doing the same thing back there.
Yep.
And he went off the handle on me. Put his backpack locked away, and he heard me say that, and he comes around the corner and starts dropping that flowers.
Perfect. So I'll find a spot, I'll search you, and I'll put you in the back, and I'll head down.
You're harassing me and stuff like that. I said, he needs to know. And like,
Take care. I'm searching your breast region, back of my hand, okay? Back of my hand only, on camera right here.
just trying to claw underneath a little bit more. And he said, how was it? Much right. And I said, that would not be a good move. And then he backed up a little bit and went away, and then it escalated again in like 10 minutes, which was along the middle before.
I noticed her over in my department, and I could tell she was kind of sketchy. So I kind of followed her for a little ways, back in the sporting goods. At one point, I was going down the aisle. He came walking down the aisle. I just asked if there's anything I can help her with.
Where'd you get the shoes, Cap? Okay, just look awful new.
Told me, like, no, he left if you weren't following me, off the suit, harassment, or whatever, brush my ass, like, on me.
We'll just go sit in the back, okay? I told you we would. Yep, you're going to go in the car, and we'll drive up to him.
But then I followed him over back to my department, over the hard lines here. And I called another bigger guy to be over there in the department with me in case anything happened. He saw me again, followed me into one of the aisles, threatening to knock me out.
Put your butt in first, then. Do you want the window down as we drive? Okay.
If I kept following him, I just tried to walk away and back and I just kept walking. And I tried to keep my distance after that. I kind of tried to stay a little bit more out of sight while keeping him in there.
Because either you guys fear for your safety?
I didn't.
No, not me. I know what I wanted to do.
I'd say I was nervous that he might have come after me if I had not had my other friend there. That coming up.
Either you guys want to pursue charges?
Just make sure they can't come back. I mean, if it would have went fisticuffs, that's a different thing.
She's moving pretty quick. That's about 40 yard head start on me.
He may have our sunglasses on. I'm not sure.
If you want.
No, they're his Oakleys.
If you want to go through, try and figure that out, if you can find it on camera, we're going to be here for a minute, so.
Those are his Oakleys, they're not yours.
I'm just having my radio went through.
I guess you're right.
Oh, sorry, it took a bigger while. I accidentally gave her a assist down to the ground. Let's tell him once he's in cuffs, he can talk to her. I'll pull up to the side. Once he gets in handcuffs, we'll let you talk to him. He had a bunch of weapons on him, so he goes... Well, he can't have it as a convicted felon.
All right, step out of the car. Right now, you're being placed under arrest for carrying a concealed weapon. We're going to get in touch with probation. And Kara's under arrest for felony retail theft. So, it sounds like you guys know what you guys were coming here to do.
If you didn't steal anything, he didn't steal anything. Who stole something?
I stole something. He didn't.
Okay, yeah, we'll charge you both.
Why? You didn't steal it.
So...
He doesn't have anything and he stole merch on him at all.
Okay, I will talk to the other officer about it. I agree with you, so... Josh, you good if she says something before I take her down?
I'll get that window rolled down.
Kara, you good? We'll meet him down at the jail.
I love you, baby. Thank you, guys. I love you. Oh my God. Thank you for letting me talk to her.
Yeah, no problem. Like I said, man, when you're cool with me, I'm going to be cool with you.
While en route to the jail, Kara allegedly passed out and was subsequently transported to the hospital by ambulance.
What's that? Do you feel sick? Think you're gonna faint? If you need medical attention, let me know. 326, she's saying she just passed out in the back of my skull. If you understand, medical, tri-state. Kara? Hey, sit up. Kara, can you sit up? Kara, sit up.
Oh,
Sit up. You okay? You can't just be bending over. Can you lean out the door a little bit at least? Kara, do you want to get out? What happened? Do you pass out easily? Do you pass out a lot? No, you don't have before. Did you use it all today? When did you use?
They have first responders coming to check her out. I guess she passed out, but she should be fine. You guys didn't use anything today, did you? You guys didn't use methadone or fentanyl at all?
No.
Okay. I'm not asking to charge you with it. The only reason I'm asking is because if I can tell those guys that it might be an overdose, we could help her more. But if you're saying it's not an overdose, then...
She thinks she's overdosing. She said she used both heroin and meth. She was good until we put her in the squad.
Seems to be a kind of a new trend. What's up? Like people ODing back in spots.
You know? She had no issue running through Farm and Fleet. Don't fall, get on the cot. Stand up there. Come on, back up. Oh yeah. Get up, move up. Okay, I got the keys then. Nope.
I'm surprised you don't know my name.
Once Officer Zumak said it, I remembered it. I've dealt with Kara before, but only one other time. I've never met you before, though.
Me and Kyle are code blue camp famous.
Yeah, that you guys are. I will admit, I did see it.
5 million views.
Here's the thing I'll tell you, man. At least with me, doesn't matter what you've done on Code Blue Cam, YouTube, whatever. As long as you're cool with me, I'm going to be cool with you. Just to let you know, I know you had that grinder on you. I'm not charging you with that.
Thank you.
Okay? Because of how cool you were with me, I'm going to take it. I'm going to destroy it. You don't have to worry about catching that charge. That trick make you a little better on that wrist?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and just step in front of the car door here. Right there.
Alright, so clearly y'all already know you're mad at him. I know, listen, but Charlie got the report, so I have every reason to be stopping there. I don't take off.
See how much further we
Seizure,
can get
yes,
done?
that's it.
Like that the whole way?
During a search by the jailers, Dakota admitted to having meth stuffed up his body. Subsequently, he was taken to the hospital so the meth could be removed from his body.
Come on, Kyle. Let's go. Come on. What's that? Yep, sit down. Sit. This was related to Dakota that was just in here, so watch, underwear, bra, and all the above.
Here, you already know what the process is, and you also know you have to be searched twice, and you have to be put to the stand. I have to speak. I understand, but we also have to wait and do our process. She's gonna put me on myself. Come on.
Been like this for the last 5 hours.
Here, you need to go down first of all. I'm not gonna get this up. Okay, well, we have to get through this stuff first. You already know. I have to go through this stuff. Control this shit. Come on. You want anything else? What are you doing? Jumping up and down.
Thanks.
Dakota was charged with misdemeanor counts of carrying a concealed weapon and carrying a concealed knife. Kara was charged with felony counts of retail theft, intentionally conceal, party to a crime, bail jumping, and misdemeanor resisting obstructing an officer. All charges are repeaters. It was also discovered she was out on 2 felony bonds at the time of the theft. Dakota and Kara were eventually released on a $1,000 and $500 signature bond. Additionally, both were trespassed from Farm and Fleet, and the 2 employees who were threatened by Dakota opted not to pursue charges. Since this incident, Kara has been arrested 3 more times for retail theft, fraudulent use of a credit card, and bail jumping.